is very philanthropic and a very visionary leader. It's like a family we are working.
From a modest dream in Hyderabad to a legacy of global excellence, Gr Surya Raj proves that true engineering begins with purpose and ends with people. He founded Dynamic Tools with a vision to build reliable, affordable, and high-quality machines.
My main motto is to do something to the needy country, people. I love people.
When major cigarette machine builders focused on corporates, Surya Raj identified the market catering to the small-scale sector. Today, Dynamic Tools is a global pioneer in the cigarette-making machinery, exporting to more than 60 countries.
Earlier, these machines all were imported machines only. The small players, minimum budget of $1 million, $2 million, they used to buy machinery from me.
Through precision, quality assurance, and service, he built an empire expanding into aerospace and defense components.
What I taught in the HMT, there will be 5 to 10% lazy fellows will be there. They will not work, they will try to disturb the people. You don't worry, don't go to them. If they do not disturb the other employees, that is better. That you take care.
Surya Raj is building a legacy in not just precision manufacturing, but also in lifting India with education and healthcare.
I have adopted one Jilla Parishad High School. So all the children who have studied from that school are number one today.